In academic writing, the past continuous tense plays a significant role in providing detailed information about events that were ongoing in the past. By using the past continuous tense, writers can paint a vivid picture of a specific time frame and create a sense of continuity. This tense is often used to describe actions that were in progress at a particular point in the past, or to set the scene for a past event. One key use of the past continuous tense in academic writing is to provide background information or context for a past event. For example, the researchers were conducting a study on climate change when they discovered a new species of plant. In this sentence, the past continuous tense, "were conducting," indicates that the researchers were in the process of conducting a study at a specific point in the past. Another common use of the past continuous tense is to describe simultaneous actions in the past. For instance, while the students were studying for their exams, the teachers were preparing the lesson plans for the next semester. Here, the past continuous tense is used to show that two actions were happening at the same time in the past. Furthermore, the past continuous tense can be used to add detail and depth to a narrative. For example, as the sun was setting, the birds were chirping loudly in the trees, and the smell of fresh flowers filled the air. This sentence creates a vivid picture of a specific moment in the past by using the past continuous tense to describe multiple ongoing actions. Additionally, the past continuous tense can be used to suggest a sense of duration or repetition in the past. For instance, "She was always talking on the phone whenever I walked past her office." In this sentence, the past continuous tense, "was talking," implies that the action of talking on the phone was a habitual or repeated behavior in the past. In conclusion, the past continuous tense is a valuable tool in academic writing for adding detail and depth to descriptions of events in the past. By using this tense effectively, writers can create a richer and more engaging narrative that captures the complexity of past experiences.